In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page size in Microsoft Word to A3 dimensions. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to adjust your document's layout to better fit your content or any printing requirements you might have. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to make sure you have Microsoft Word open on your computer. Once you're inside your document, head over towards the top of the screen and you'll see a series of menu tabs like Home, Insert, and more. What you're looking for is the Layout tab. It's situated typically around the middle of these options. Once you've clicked on the Layout tab, you'll be greeted by a new set of options. Here is where Microsoft Word allows you to manipulate different aspects of your document's structure. It's essential to become familiar with this tab because it gives you control over margins, orientation, breaks, and, importantly for today's task, the page size. Now, direct your attention to the Page Setup group, which is conveniently located towards the left side of the Layout toolbar. In this group, you'll find the Size option. When you click on Size, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying a list of different page sizes. At this point, you'll have to scroll through the options available in the drop-down. Look for A3, which measures 29.7 centimeters by 42 centimeters. This size is often used for larger documents, like posters or detailed charts, and is quite useful if you want to have a larger printed format. If for some reason A3 does not appear in the list, you might have to choose the option to create a custom size and enter the dimensions manually. But generally, in most updated versions of Word, A3 should readily display in the drop-down. After selecting A3, click on it, and you'll see your document's layout change to reflect the new size. This adjustment will allow more content to fit onto a single page, so it's always a great idea to zoom out and take a look at how the content has rearranged itself. Remember, adjusting the page size can impact your current document formatting. Therefore, once you've made this change, it's wise to scroll through your document and ensure everything appears just the way you intended. You might find that some elements, like images, graphs, or blocks of text, need a bit of realignment or resizing to fit neatly within the new layout. And there you have it. Changing your page size to A3 in Microsoft Word is straightforward. With these clear steps, you'll be confident to adjust your document to meet the demands of any project or presentation that requires a bigger format. Remember, having the right page setup can make a world of difference in both digital and physical presentations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice this on your own document to get comfortable with the process. See you next time.